guys, so I'm really excited to show you today all of our Jet Motors master kits because they're all going on this Mini, our friend Richard from Fremont, California. So just about every single Mini that comes into the shop needs all this stuff. I mean, these are 30, 40, 50-year-old cars, and the rubber suspension cones are usually wore out and bagged out. So we have our Jet Motors suspension master kit going on this car. We have the Jet Motors Ultimate Aluminum Alloy Manifold and Carburetor Kit going on this car. We have our Cooling System Master Kit going on this car. We have the Ultimate Ignition Kit going on this car. Everything, I mean, almost every Mini needs all the same stuff. So it's very common for these cars to have the same problems, the same issues, the same maintenance, the same upgrades. And for all the years that we've been doing this, this is exactly what we need. So this table really has it all. So Keith, come in here and just kind of follow along here as I kind of shout out what we have here. We have a new aluminum alloy radiator, the jet cooling system, water pump, KYB oil-filled shocks. These aren't the gas shocks, these are oil-filled, and they're really inexpensive and they do a great job. I've noticed that you don't necessarily need to have adjustable shocks, not on a street car. These are fantastic. The high voltage coil, the Jet Motors coil bracket, the aluminum water pump pulley with a new fan, and that's the proper orientation. These are usually backwards, okay? A front European license plate holder, iridium spark plugs, ultimate intake system kit, 1.5 roller rockers, T-bars on a new alloy Minifin aluminum valve cover. Of course, we use Kendall 2050 GT1, has zinc in it. That's really important. Of course, the new Jet Motors rubber suspension cone. These are made by Dr. Alex Moulton. And let me show you something really unique about these that most people aren't aware of. What these are is we actually have front and rear. Why is there a front and rear? Well, when Dr. Alex Moulton knew that the rubber suspension cones would typically wear out between 7 to 10 years, is probably maximum life for the rubber suspension cones, he redesigned the chemical makeup of the rubber. So this is actually a different chemical makeup because he knew that heat and age was the enemy of these rubber cones. So I don't know if you can see that, but the front one over on my left is, and your right, is taller than the rear cone. The rear cone is really a lot less weight in the rear. The front cone, of course, for the engine and gearbox, there's 333 pounds of weight in the front. That's what a Mini engine and gearbox weighs wet. So again, if we go along here, along with the suspension, we have adjustable lower control arms, new tie rod pins or lower arm pins, adjustable rear camber and toe brackets. This is really important, guys, because you need, when you put the suspension together in a Mini, what's the greatest thing about a Mini? How it handles. So getting a Mini suspension dialed and adjusted properly, spend the time, spend the money, make sure your Mini drives nice because that's the best part about these cars. Also, he's getting rear built-up back plates, new Superfin alloy drums, and under here, of course, is adjustable tie rods so we can adjust the caster. Rear tie downs. These are the Jet Motors rear tie downs. This is really nice. If you ever want to transport your Mini or you want to put it on a trailer or a truck, this is a nice place to tie it down. Same with the front tie downs. So I'll come on around here and we'll show you, this Mini belongs to our friend Richard. He's from Fremont, California. He shipped the car up here and said, do your magic. Give me a brand new car when you're done. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give him a new steering wheel. We're gonna do a boot liner kit, boot lid liner, wheels, tires, all the suspension, all the intake, the ignition, the exhaust, everything. This car is gonna be stunning. So this is a little bit of before, and then we're gonna show you some after. And Richard, you are in luck because man, are you gonna have a nice car when we're done. So we'll see you on the next one.